In this
Join
video,
me.
we will be
Let's make this
transitioning to
simple
life with this ostomy breakfast recipe,
together.
specially crafted for seniors with ostomy. With truly more of a gentle pivot toward mindful nourishment. While the menu looked different because this recipe is for seniors, the joy of a good meal remains. The secret lies in prioritizing gentle digestion, choosing soft, comforting textures that soothe rather than stress your system. By trading hard skins, stubborn seeds, and rough fibers for well-cooked, peeled alternatives, you protect yourself from blockages while rediscovering the simple elegance of easy-to-digest wellness. If you're just tuning into this channel, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share with your friends and family, and tell us where you're watching from in the comments section. Now let's begin. This creamy rice porridge isn't just breakfast. It's a purposeful solution for a smoother day. We've designed this recipe to be strictly low residue, ensuring it passes easily and stays gentle on the stomach. Because it is naturally soft and hydrating, it supports senior digestion without the strain of tougher grains. Best of all, it comes together in minutes, keeping your time at the stove minimal so you can focus on enjoying your morning. To bring this comforting bowl to life, you'll need a few simple staples from the pantry. Start with a half cup of white rice or instant flakes for a smooth, reliable base. For the liquid, pour in 1 cup of water or your preferred lactose-free milk. To add a hint of sweetness without the grit, use 1 peeled, finely chopped soft apple drizzled with a teaspoon of honey. Stir in 2 tablespoons of smooth cottage cheese for easy protein, finished with a pinch of salt and cinnamon. If you're cooking for a partner, simply double every measurement to share the warmth. Before we even think about turning on the flame, we take a quiet moment for mise en place, getting everything in its rightful place. Preparation is the key to a stress-free morning, so begin by carefully peeling your apple, ensuring every bit of tough skin is removed before chopping it into very small, soft pieces. Next, measure out your rice and liquid, keeping them ready by the stove. Finally, set your cottage cheese aside to gently reach room temperature. This thoughtful start ensures that once the cooking begins, the process remains as smooth and easy as the meal itself. With your ingredients prepared, it is time to arrange your workspace for a seamless flow. Place a small non-stick pot on the front burner, where it will serve as the cozy home for your porridge. Beside it, set a small saucepan dedicated to softening those apple bits into a tender topping. To ensure your breakfast is a dream of creamy consistency rather than a clumpy disappointment, keep a silicone spatula and a light whisk close at hand. This simple organization transforms the cooking process into a rhythmic, effortless dance that honors both your time and your appetite. Now, we begin the gentle transformation over medium heat. Combine your rice and liquid in the pot, allowing them to reach a soft, steady simmer for about 5 minutes. Stay close, stirring frequently to coax out that natural creaminess. As the grains soften, reduce the heat to low. If the mixture appears a bit stubborn or thick, simply stir in a splash more milk. We are aiming for a comforting pudding-like consistency that glides easily. Once it reaches that perfect velvet texture, turn off the heat and cover the pot to let the flavors settle. While the rice rests, turn your attention to the small saucepan over low heat. Add your finely chopped apples with a single tablespoon of water, then cover the pan to let them steam. In just 4 or 5 minutes, they will become translucent and tender enough to mash effortlessly with a fork. Stir in the honey and a warm dusting of cinnamon, creating a fragrant, golden compote. Perform one final texture check to ensure every piece is buttery soft. We want a melt-in-the-mouth finish with absolutely no crunch left to challenge your digestion. With the apples tender and the rice rested, return your porridge to the lowest heat for just 1 minute to bring everything back to a cohesive warmth. Gently fold those golden stewed apples into the creamy rice, marbleizing the sweetness throughout the bowl. Your goal here is a perfectly uniform blend, one that is soft, soothing, and effortless to swallow. This final integration ensures every spoonful is consistent and kind to your system. Once the mixture achieves that harmonious velvet texture, simply turn off the heat and prepare to savor the results of your mindful preparation. Now, gently transfer the warm porridge into a shallow bowl, letting it settle into a smooth, inviting layer. Place a generous dollop of smooth cottage cheese right in the center. Watch as it begins to soften and melt slightly into the rice, adding a subtle richness and a welcome boost of protein. For a final elegant touch, add a tiny dusting of cinnamon across the top. Keep the presentation clean and calm, creating a visual that is as soothing as the meal itself. Your gentle morning bowl is now ready, a masterpiece of comfort and care. This simple bowl is more than just a breakfast. It is a thoughtful investment in your daily comfort. By choosing peeled, stewed apples, you gain the benefits of gentle soluble fiber for steady energy without any digestive strain. The smooth cottage cheese provides essential protein to maintain your strength, remaining light and easy on the system. Because of its high liquid content, this porridge also keeps you naturally hydrated, which is vital for ostomy health. It is a warm, nostalgic meal that nourishes the spirit as much as the body, proving that wellness can be truly delicious. Eating well with an ostomy is a journey of small, soft steps, and today you have taken a beautiful one toward your own well-being. By choosing ingredients that prioritize comfort, you are honoring your body's needs without sacrificing the simple pleasure of a warm meal. If you found this recipe helpful, please consider subscribing for more senior-focused, ostomy-friendly meals designed to make your kitchen a place of confidence and ease. Thank you for joining me in the kitchen today to celebrate nourishment and health. Stay well, and I look forward to our next meal together.